Imagine waking up on Monday morning to your very own digital product for sale, and you've created it in just 2 days without the tech headaches, fancy cameras, or writing a 200-page book. Sounds impossible? Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. By the end of this video, I'm going to walk you through the single easiest digital product you can create in a weekend, plus how to make sure it actually sells. So let's jump into why start off simple. Well, first off, anything that requires overwhelm or doing too much of anything, you just won't start. And you've probably been in that position before. You started something, you get overwhelmed, too many pieces, too many steps, and you never complete it. I've been there. The other thing is that you don't need a large audience, and it doesn't have to be a complicated launch to get started. We all know quick wins with real feedback is the caveat to making sure that our digital products sell. The easiest product to create is something that is low tech, easy to create in Canva, and solves a clear problem for your audience. And that easy product is going to be a downloadable guide. What you see on the screen right now is an example of a downloadable guide that I created for my CSA members. This is a downloadable guide to help them develop their AI images for their product. So now let's jump into your weekend game plan. She's going to walk you through how to create this digital product by Monday so that you can have it ready to sell. If you don't have your pen and paper out, this is the time to go ahead and grab it. All right. So Friday evening, you're sitting at home. You're like, okay, I got to create my product. You want to start off with a topic in the outline. And the first place that I go to is ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me some ideas or topics that my ideal audience is looking for. Once I've chosen that topic, I create this outline. Once I've got that outline ready, I've broken it down, asked it to expand on certain areas. Now I'm ready to jump into Canva. I'm going to go into Canva and start with the template. I'm not going to get overwhelmed and I'm not going to go into weeds. I'm going to choose a template that has about 5 to 10 pages that I can work with. And then I am going to copy and paste what Chat and I work together to do into this new Canva template. I'm going to do that all Saturday. I'm going to drink my tea, do these things, and I get all of this done. Now we're into Sunday. Sunday, I'm ready to upload this new digital product, and I'm going to use Payhip. Payhip is really easy to set up, and it is free. Who doesn't like free 99? You can use Payhip to upload your document, and it'll be ready to sell by Monday. So if you want to take the guesswork out of all of this, grab my free guide. It's packed with strategies on how to create and sell your digital product with ease. Just go to www.coachsimplify.com/SSPath. All right. That's it. That's how you create your digital product in a weekend. I'm Alease Michelle, and I help professionals over 40 create digital products the easiest way possible. You have an awesome and blessed day. Peace out.